Want to speed up video on iPhone? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can easily speed up the video on iPhone. So the very first thing you should know that there is no any direct option or the feature in order for you to speed up the video itself. So in this case, what you need to do is simply install the application CapCut. Once installed, simply open it. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're in this page, click on New Project. It will open up a gallery. From gallery, select any of the video that you want to speed up. Let me select this video for now. Once selected, tap on Add at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once the video has been uploaded here, simply click on the video. And then at the bottom, you can see the option of speed. Click on it. Tap on Normal. Now, in order for you to speed up the video, all you need to do is, you need to change the scale of this range. Set according to your need. There you can see that the speed of the video has increased. Likewise, set the speed according to your need, and then you'll be good to go. Once done, tap on Export at the top right corner of the screen, and then your video will be saved into your gallery. So this is simply how you can speed up the video on iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.